Hi, this is Patty with Sleepy Glen Homestead. I'm going to show you a great money-saving tip for your laundry detergent. At Walmart or Kroger, wherever you do your shopping, you can find these bars of soap, Fels Naphtha. There's also another one called Zote soap. You can find them where the laundry detergents are sold. They're either on the bottom shelf or on the top shelf. So I usually use 2 of these bars of soap. I've already got one here. All you have to do, just take it out and kind of crush it up. I've had these bars for a while, so they might be a little funky color, but nevertheless, they still smell the same. They smell really good. I'm just going to chop this up kind of into small pieces. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to do 2 bars. Now, each bar at Walmart will cost you about, don't quote me on this, $1.29. So let's just say for less than $3, I'm going to make 5 gallons of laundry soap. Yes, you heard it here. I know you like your Gain smell. I like it too, but you know what? We do a lot of laundry around here. This makes your clothes clean. It smells good. And it's a huge money-saving tip. So, you know the way prices are going up like crazy. So I'm going to get this put into my 5-gallon bucket that has a lid. I'm going to cut up this other bar here and get it inside my bucket, and I'll be right back. Okay, there is my 2 bars of soap down there in the bottom of my bucket. Okay, now what else you want to do is I've got 2 very large pans here, and I'm just boiling water. So once this water gets to be a little bit more hotter, meaning boiling, then I'm going to shut these off and I'm going to dump the water into the bucket. So I will get Keith up here to do that because I'm not real strong when it comes to that. Now we're going to pour the hot water into the bucket. Please remove all glasses so that you can see what you're doing. So it's been about 10 minutes that this has been sitting in here, and there might be a couple little chunks left, but there's really not very much. I can feel them running around, but that's not very much. So we're going to finish pouring the hot water in here. If I can get my trusty assistant. Ready? That's good. Okay.
In here?
Yes, sir.
Pour it out?
Yes. Okay, we have the bucket filled up. A couple of the chunks floated up to the top. You can kind of see them. They're not very big. Now, I'm just going to put the cover on this and wait until tomorrow. We'll be back. All right, so here's the update on my Fels Naphtha soap. You just saw how I boiled all of my water. I put the hot water inside of this bucket, and I chopped up 2 bars of Fels Naphtha soap. I went back the next day, like I told you, wait a day, and when I did, it was really watery, and I thought, uh-oh, what happened? Was it because the soap was old? So let's look at it. There's a lot of moisture in there. This soap, my friends, is not watery at all. I actually had to use some yesterday, and I added some more water to it because it was really thick. But see how gelatinous it is. So did I tell you how much I paid for this? Isn't that cool? $2.40 for 5 gallons of soap. Tell me where else you can get soap like that. And it smells good, and it cleans your clothes good. And if you have extra soiled clothes, down on that bottom shelf, like I told you at Walmart or your Kroger or Aldi, wherever you get your soap at, there's usually Arm & Hammer washing soda, super washing soda. And that stuff works really good. Just follow the directions, throw it in there. You could also get borax. I know that's something that, you know, we probably heard of as when we were kids, or you never heard of it. Excuse me. And borax is, oh, it is really, really powerful stuff. I don't add anything to this soap. This is just 2 bars of Feld's Naphtha, 5 gallons of hot water. Let it sit for 2 days, and you've got yourself a lot of soap. So if you don't like the smell of Feld's Naphtha, there's also Zote soap. Isn't that cheap? $1.60 for each bar, 2 bars of Zote soap, and 5 gallons of hot water. Chop up your soap, add it to your bucket, add your hot water, mix and mix and mix until, you know, you feel like it's down into small chunks. This Feld's Naphtha that I used this time, it was old. It was probably 3 or 4 years old. And the bars weren't really dissolving as fast as they should have, but they did dissolve, and you can see that I have a beautiful laundry detergent here. It's a nice color, and you can use this in your low suds HD machines. I've got a front load Samsung, and I'm telling you, this jug will last us 1 year, maybe more. I can't remember the last time I made soap. It's been a while. So if you feel like $1.20 is the cheap stuff, it probably is, but it smells just as good. If you want to spend a little bit more, you can spend $1.60 and get that Zote soap. It's just as good. So have a great day. Thanks for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button. Take care.